Good day, Engineer Montero. We are from Group 4 and we are here to present you our group work about Activity 3, Transformer Short Circuit Test. And here are my group mates, Caro Carl Joseph, Castillo Lil Wilfred, Crisostomo Lirisa Iris, Diwata Kim Luis, Eliasar Ayman, and Pla Daniel Joseph. And here is Larissa Iris Crisostomo for the objectives.
So, when you have completed this exercise, you will be familiar with voltage and current characteristics of a single-phase transformer and able to use the transformer turns ratio to predict the voltage and current that will flow in the secondary winding. Next slide, please.
The materials that will be used for this project are the LV-SIM software, data acquisition interface, the single-phase transformer, and the power supply. We will now present a video that will simulate yung gagawin namin.
For procedure 6, record the values of primary voltage and current and the value of the short circuit secondary current in winding 5 to 6. So as you can see kanina sa video, ES is equals to E primary is equals ang nakuha naming data is 119.2 volts, sa I primary is equals to 4.183 amperes, and sa last sa I secondary is 4.170 amperes.
Next is the procedure number 7. So we will now return the voltage control knob to 0 and then turn off the power supply. So we will now calculate the ratio of primary current to secondary current. So by distributing the values na nakuha namin kanina, I primary over I secondary, which is the 4.183 and 4.170, we will get an ampere current of 1.003 ampere.
And to answer the procedure 8, if the ratio is approximately equal to N1 over N2, it is yes, the ratio is equal. As what we've got from the previous activity, N56 is equal to 500, while N12 is equal to 500. If we will get its ratio, we will get 1, which simply answers the question if yes or no. So yes.
So this is what it looks like after the remodeling of the circuit based on the value we got on the experiment.
And that's all for our presentation for this project. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you like our presentation.